a common error or a common problem which people were giving, like they were facing this issue a lot, is that they created a new campaign. Like I taught you how you can create a automated WhatsApp outbound machine, and maybe we created it for one niche or one type of person, and now you want to target different niches, you want to target different types of people, and basically you want to expand, and you want to build out another system similar to the one which I created, which we created for you, as shown in the tutorials over here and everything. And you face the issue that what you probably did is you duplicated it, or you created another campaign. Let's say in one campaign, like I'll just give you an example, it will illustrate the point better. For example, Aditya from Digiskull Technologies, he started with, I think, like doctors or like dermatologists in maybe Dubai. We built out that campaign for him. He was targeting these doctors and all of these specialized medical practitioner, healthcare professionals in Dubai. It was going well for him. And then he also decided yesterday that he's going to be targeting like surgeons, like neurosurgeons in Melbourne as well. So what he did is he duplicated the previous campaign. He made some changes in the copy. Instead of saying like Dubai, he was now using the word Melbourne. Like he was like, hey, are you a doctor or a surgeon based in Melbourne and stuff? He did that. But then what happened is he added leads to this as well. He scraped a list of leads. Like he went to probably the sales gen community over here, and he scraped a list of leads. I'll also add the link to this lead scraping thingy over here if you're interested in how to scrape leads, how to find leads for the same. I'll just add this in case anyone is wondering. Outreach. All the lead scraping methods will be shared over here. Yeah, you can just go to it. And he probably added like a bunch of leads from basically Melbourne and stuff. And the complaint, the issue which he was facing is the, like, let's say the previous, like the leads were doctors in Dubai. Now they were also receiving the exact same message. He wanted to target like people in Melbourne, and he maybe send them a message, hey, are you a doctor based in Melbourne? Now the people who had messaged previously, people from Dubai, they were receiving the exact same message. And the same message went out to two people at the same time. And that is happening because when I created the outbound system, I created it keeping in mind that you will only reach out to one type of niche and one type of location. And that was maybe an issue on mine. Most people do that. But in case you want to target different markets, you want to expand, you want multiple campaigns which use WhatsApp marketing running at the same time, you just need to make a very simple change and this problem will be solved forever. So if you remember, I showed you over here that when you start out this campaign, like if you see the exact thing which starts the campaign, if you come over here, you can see the thing which actually triggers the campaign is tag added. And this tag added is the phone number using which we're going to be sending out the WhatsApp messages from. You can see, like I myself told you to do it. And this works well if you're just targeting one type of people. But what happens, like just to explain the fix is very simple, just so that you actually understand what's happening. What happens is whenever you add a list of leads, like let's say Aditya added leads for Dubai and leads for Melbourne as well. Now in both these workflows, when he's targeting like people in Melbourne and people in Dubai, the tag, like if this tag is present, they will be added to this exact workflow. And this tag is same for both of them. Now what happens is whenever we add leads for WhatsApp marketing, our system automatically, it creates this tag for the leads. And just try to understand, like basically I know it's getting kind of complicated. The reason the same message is being sent out to all the people is because this exact tag is starting all the workflows. This is starting the Dubai workflow as well and the Melbourne workflow as well. And whenever you add leads, all of them will have this exact tag. So they will be added to all the workflows. If you try to like duplicate it and you try to add like 5 different workflows, or like you want to target 5 different localities, all the leads which you add, they will be receiving 5 different messages, because we have told our system that whenever this tag is present, then you have to send out the messages, then you have to add them to this workflow, and the messages will go out appropriately. And that is the cause of concern over here. So this works fine. Like if you have just one campaign, you don't need to do anything. But if you're targeting different people, just come over here and click on this cross button. Just click over here, and over here, just give it any name. For example, this is leads in Melbourne. I'll just name it Melbourne WhatsApp outreach, just something like that, and just click on add new tag. That's all you had to do. If you have different tags for all the different workflows, it won't give you an issue anymore. Just click on save trigger and click on save over here. That's all you had to do. Now the same message won't go out to all the people. Like let me just see if any other workflows are live. Let me just see. No, these are the only ones which he was facing with. So I'll just try to fix all the workflows as well. For example, he was targeting tours and travels in Dubai. So I'll just change the tag. Like over here, when you have this trigger contact tag, remove the number which is here and just select Dubai tours and travels WhatsApp outbound. Just give it any name which you can remember, because it really does not matter. Just do that and just click on save, and you're pretty much good to go. I'll do the same for the remaining workflows as well. And what this will do is, now whenever some new contact is added, he will not be receiving messages like 5 different messages. He will not be added to all these different workflows. Let's say he's targeting dermatologist in Dubai as well. Even here, let's say, yeah, contact tag, I'll just remove this and I'll select dermatologist Dubai outreach WhatsApp. You don't need to have any particular rule or something for this. You just need to remember. Like if we're just adding this so that we can remember what exactly are we doing. It doesn't matter. You can literally put anything except from the number which was there initially. That fixes it. Now people won't receive the messages, and now you're wondering, Soumil, like, do I need to change everything and all? No. If you want to, like, I think I've, like, I'll just show you. I'll just add the link to the video as well. Once you've done this, you can just simply follow the instructions when you're adding leads and you'll be good to go. Like, if you remember the last step where we select the exact workflow where we need to add the person, if you're adding leads for dermatologist, just select like Dubai dermatologist outreach. Like, I'll just attach this video. I know it does not make sense right now, but once you watch this video, it will make sense. So I'll add it over here as well. Adding leads to workflow, right? I'll attach this over here. Yeah, that's how you do it. This should fix all the issues. Yeah, if you have any other issues, once again go to the sales and community, just come over here and just like simply just create a post in questions and answers, and we'll get back to you. Best thing you can do, go to loom.com and just record a quick Loom video which explains it basically. Yeah, that's how you can do it. Yep, I'll just add the link to the community as well below this so that you can access it. Yes, pretty much good to go. Have a beautiful, lovely, fantastic day ahead. Hope this fixed your issue.